Welcome to the Computing Lab. These practical computing lessons for JHS are based on the Ghanaian curriculum developed by the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment, NaCCA, and run by the Ghana Education Service. In today's practical computing lesson, we are going to look at JHS 1 syllabus, Strand 2, which is Productivity Software, and Substrand 1, which is Introduction to Word Processing, which means today's lesson is Introduction to Word Processing. So the question is, what is a word processor? A word processor is a software used for creating, editing, formatting, storing, and printing text documents. It allows users to save files electronically and make changes easily. Some examples of word processor are Microsoft Office Word, WPS Office, Google Docs, LibreOffice Writer, WordPerfect, Apple Pages, and WordPad. Now let's look at some uses of word processors. Word processors can be used to 1. Write essays, 2. Create reports, 3. Develop resumes, and 4. Produce professional documents. We are going to use Microsoft Office Word 2024 for these practical lessons. If you have earlier version of Microsoft Office Word, that should work perfectly. Now that we know the word processor we'll be using, let's learn how to launch or open it. There are various procedures followed to launch or open Microsoft Office Word, and we are going to look at a few of them. The first step is click on Start to display the Start menu. In the search bar, type Word to display the Word app icon. Then click on it to display the Word Start screen or Start page. Click on Blank Document. Then you have Microsoft Office Word interface displayed for you. I am going to exit out of here and let's look at some other ways to open Microsoft Office Word. The second step is going to be hold on the Windows logo key and press on the R key. Then type WinWord. Then press the Enter key or click on the OK button. So I'm going to click on the OK button. Then we have the Start page for Microsoft Word. So I'm going to click on Blank Document once again. And we have Microsoft Office Word open. Now in the last step, we are going to use command line interface. If you want to feel like an IT ninja, you can open Word with command line interface built into Windows. To open Word using the command line interface known as command prompt, 1. Click on, so let me exit out of here. Click on Start. Type CMD. To display the command prompt icon, click on it. Then type Start WinWord. Note that this window is a command line interface where you type commands using the keyboard, so you rarely need to use the mouse. I'm going to press the Enter key to display Microsoft Word Start page. Click on Blank Document, and we have Microsoft Office Word open. I'm going to exit out of here. Now, let me give you some hands-on exercise to do. Try typing the commands displayed on your screen in command prompt to open these applications. Since we are going to use Microsoft Office Word frequently, it is okay to pin the application to the taskbar. Pinning Word to the taskbar is fairly a simple process. These steps can be applied to other items you want to pin to the taskbar. To pin Microsoft Word to the taskbar, first I'm going to exit out of here, so type exit. I'm going to click on Start icon to display the Start menu. Then I'm going to type Word. Then I'm going to right click on the Word icon. Then choose Pin to the taskbar. Then we should have Microsoft Word pinned to the taskbar. The purpose of pinning Microsoft Word to the taskbar is that it's going to help us launch it quickly instead of going through the start button and the start menu. Now I can just click on the app right here and that should be displayed for us quickly. So I'm going to click on blank document and we have it. So let's exit. Now that we have Microsoft Word pinned to the taskbar, you may be asking, how do I remove it from the taskbar, which is on pinning? To do this, you need to right click on the icon on the taskbar, then choose the option that says unpin from taskbar, and the application is removed from the taskbar, or technically unpinned from the taskbar. Now, another way to pin Microsoft Word to the taskbar or any other app to the taskbar, click on Start button to display the Start menu. Type the name of the program you want to pin. This time, let's say I want to pin PowerPoint. So type PowerPoint. And I have the option right here that says Pin to Taskbar. I can click on this option to pin it to the taskbar, but let me show you some other way to do it. Click on PowerPoint to display the start screen. Click on blank PowerPoint. So we have our PowerPoint running and we are going to right click on the icon on the taskbar. Then we choose the option that says Pin to Taskbar. So I'm going to close and we still have the program pinned to the taskbar. So this is how to do it. This brings us to the end of the first lesson. And in our next lesson, we are going to look at the component that makes up Microsoft Word window. Thank you for viewing.